All right, so if you came across this video about the DeepSeek, you probably heard about that. And most of people like you, I just heard about DeepSeek today. And trust me, I'm truly impressed. And the most important thing is that this model is actually truly an open source, unlike OpenAI, which has in open is his name, but you have to pay for it. I'm a developer, I do the websites, and kind of I have to use the OpenAI and ChatGPT every single day. But now I probably think that DeepSeek is going to drag the ChatGPT down, but it's not going to do so much of soon. And so in this video, we're going to explore about that, how DeepSeek have changed the industry, what makes the DeepSeek to crash these whole tech giants. That, by the way, this is a new AI model from China that burst into global stage, and so much buzz happened. And even giants like NVIDIA and others are actually scrambling to keep up. From social media chatter to expert panels, it is clear that something happening big. And in my personal opinion, that I'm paying for ChatGPT for over a year now, I think the most important thing is the cost of this model. First of all, this is completely open source, and if you go to the benchmark of this training model, you will be stunned that that this model is pretty much good in everything compared to the ChatGPT, and most importantly, it is free. And you're really going to be surprised that this model is only trained for $5 million, unlike the Chat GPT, where you have seen that they said they're spending billions and millions of dollars, and you see another side, the NVIDIA company that is selling its own GPUs based on all about that they are actually running the OpenAI industry, or they are running the AI industry, not the OpenAI industry. So that whole thing's collapsed today. The NVIDIA stock price was in complete, let's say, the downfall. The whole tech industry have bear the loss of over let's say the $1 trillion. Okay, so now we're going to talk about that, what is DeepSeek and how it compares to an OpenAI. So what is DeepSeek exactly? So at its core, DeepSeek is a next generation language learning module and designed to intercept, generate, and even resonate about that text in a way that's usually associated with advanced AI. Now we're going to look into the three things that make the DeepSeek better compared to the ChatGPT. Well, the first thing is that multi-language mastery. It is, I mean, amazing in the Asian languages. Like you probably have seen ChatGPT working great in most of the Western languages, the English languages, but this model is really great with the Chinese like language, like in the Asian language like Chinese, Vietnamese, and other language. Second thing is that it's adaptive learning ability. Rumor has it that DeepSeek use an innovative training algorithm that is faster and more efficient, potentially allowing you to handle a great amount of data with a few resources. And if you're using a chat GPT for a while, you probably notice that if you copy paste so much of the text, because when I'll be sending proposal to my client, I kind of gather so much of the data about this project, each and everything, and that coding everything. Sometimes the chat GPT does not respond in a way, even though I'm using the premium version, so it does not respond in a way that I actually want it to. Sometimes hang up, it say that just regenerate the response, things like that. But in the DeepSeek, this is not happening. That DeepSeek can handle that. But the problem is that just today is 27th of January, but 27th of January 2025, and DeepSeek have apparently closed its registration because they said they have a huge influx because they have successfully crashed the whole tech industry. So probably they have closed down the registration. So I cannot show you the demo, but I think today with my today's research, I'm really blown away that how this DeepSeek new thing can change the whole scenario. And most importantly, it this have an open documentation that how you can actually train the model based on your needs. And the final thing is that contextual precision. Early tester claims it that it offers sophisticated understanding of contextual data and making it less prone to random error like you have seen in the chat GPT. But again, the thing is that we're still going to test this thing out, that how it is going to respond. Okay, Now, how does it fare against the OpenAI ChatGPT? ChatGPT undoubtedly is a great. I mean, it's a industry standard. It's an amazing, but DeepSeek developers are confident they are close and even surpass that gap. And if you are looking these statics on your website screen that DeepSeek have mentioned on their website, you probably realize that DeepSeek is pretty much ahead in everything compared to the ChatGPT. But the one thing is that, of course, not everyone is convinced. Critics argue that public demos, a peer review study, it is too soon to declare the DeepSeek as a winner or the next big thing. But if you know that you have lost the $1 trillion industry, $1 trillion from the stock market, this is going to definitely a big thing because losing a $1 trillion is not a day-to-day thing. Okay, on the DeepSeek, and we have to get answer of few things: that will they open registration for other peoples to come quickly get in, and when will they will release their formal paper. Until we have those answers, AI community can only speculate and eagerly wait for DeepSeek does next. So, for joining me in this quick dive into DeepSeek. This is, by the way, this is LMS Crafter, and you probably not have seen much of these videos, but because I'm the day-to-day user of AI, so I thought let's just make video on it because how the AI, how fast this AI changing is completely fascinating. So yeah, that's it. Let's just make sure you like and subscribe this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and drop your comments on the thoughts that can DeepSeek really surpass the ChatGPT, and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring the ever evolving world of AI. Thank you so much.